How to watch short form videos on LinkedIn. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. LinkedIn recently introduced short form videos in its latest update. If you are curious about how to access and watch these short videos, then you are in the right place. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure you are using the latest version of the LinkedIn app. If not, open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap the search icon at the bottom, then tap the search bar and search for LinkedIn. If you see an update button, tap on it to update your app to the latest version. Once the update is completed, return to your home screen. Now open the updated LinkedIn app. You will land on its official homepage. Now have a look at the bottom menu bar. You should see a video tab if you are using the updated version. Tap on it and boom! You are now watching short form videos on LinkedIn. These short videos are focused on professional content. You won't get to see random unrelated posts like on other platforms. Enjoy these insightful videos on LinkedIn. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.